13. Caraga Region. Caraga Region 13 ay may kabuong lawak na humigit kumulang 18,846.97 km na bahagi ng Mindoro at binubuo ng limang probinsya na may kani-kanilang kabisera. Agusan del Norte ay isang probinsya sa Caraga na kilala sa mayamang kasaysayan at likas na ganda, lalo na sa Agusan River at pinagmulan ng pangalan nito. Attraction. Ang Humilog Cave sa RTR ay isang mahabang kuweba na may kakaibang anyo, may mga panipis sa loob at may batong kahawig ng altar. Ang Tagnote Falls naman ay may magandang talon na dinarayo para sa malamig na paliligo at likas na tanawin. Ang Mount Hilong-Hilong ay isang mataas na bundok sa Mindanao na kilala sa mayamang kagubatan, iba't ibang hayop at mahalagang pinagkukuhanan ng tubig. Cultural Heritage Site ay ang National Museum of the Philippines. Sa Butuan ay isang sangay ng museo na nag-iingat at nagpapakita ng kultura, kasaysayan at likas na yaman ng Northern Mindanao ay nagsisilbing lugar para sa pag-aaral at pananaliksik. Ang Balangay Shrine Museum ay isang museo ng mga sinaunang kahoy na bangka, kabaong at bungo upang ipakita ang kasaysayan ng paglalayag noong pre-colonial na panahon. Ang Bansa Church naman ay ang pinakamatandang guhong simbahan sa Mindanao na sumisimbolo sa maagang paglaganap ng relihiyong Kristiyano noong panahon ng Espanyol. Ang Magellan Landslide naman ay isang makasaysayang lugar kung saan pinaniniwala ang dumaong sa Ferdinand Magellan noong 1521 at nagsagawa ng unang misa sa Pilipinas. Ang Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary ay isang malawak at mahalagang latian na tahanan ng maraming hayop at halaman at itinuturing na pinakamalaking natural na freshwater ecosystem sa bansa. Man-made attraction. Ang Balangay Boat Site ay isang archaeological na lugar kung saan natagpuan ang mga sinaunang bangkay, kahoy na ginagamit ng mga Pilipino noong pre-colonial na panahon. Ang Delta Discovery Park ay isang ecotourism na lugar, Butuan na kilala sa magagandang tanawin at mga adventure activities. Vin4 Cave Pool ay isang sikat na beach at pasyalan na kilala sa natatanging cave swimming pool, bangin na tanawin ng dagat at mga dinosaur theme na dekorasyon. Festival. Balangay Festival ay isang makulay na pagdiriwang sa Butuan City na nagbibigay pugay sa sinaunang balangay boats na may street dancing at parada bilang pangunahing tampok. Dagkot Festival ay isang pasasalamat na pagdiriwang sa Cabadbaran City na may cultural street parade at iba-ibang aktibidad na nagpapakita ng kultura ng lugar. Suman Festival ay isang pagdiriwang sa Butuan City na nagpapakita ng lokal na kultura. Unaw Festival ay isang pinagdiriwang sa Butuan City na nagpapakita ng lokal na kultura, pamana at mga produktong pang-agrikultura ng lugar. Kahimunan Festival ay isang selebrasyon sa Butuan City na parang sinulog festival na nagbibigay pugay sa Santo Niño sa pamamagitan ng sayaw sa kalye. Local food. Local dishes. Nilupak ay isang tradisyonal na kakanin na gawa sa dinikdik na kamuting kahoy o balanghoy na hinahalo sa asukal, margarina at nyog at kadalasang ginagawang bola. Palagsing ay isang suma na gawa sa harina ng sago, palm na minyog at asukal na pula at madalas kainin kasama ang mainit na tsokolate. Adobong bakbak ay isang lutuing lokal na frog bakbak na niluluto sa adobo style gamit ang suka, toyo at bawang. Balikutsa ay isang matamis na kakanin na gawa sa nyog at asukal na pinakukuluan hanggang maging parang chocolate o candy. Potpot ginamos ay isang uri ng ginamos na gawa sa maliliit na isda na pinaasim at pina-ferment. Agusan del Sur ay isang lalawigang nasa loob ng Mindanao na kilala sa mayamang kalikasan tulad ng kagubatan at Agusan Marsh at pangunahing kabuhayan nito ay pagsasaka at pagtatanim ng palay. Vega Falls. Natural attraction. Ang Vega Falls ay isang 3 hakbang na talon na sa prosperidad na may malinaw na tubig at napapaligiran ng luntiang kalikasan. Tugunan Falls ay isang maganda at sagradong talon sa prosperidad na iginagalang ng Manobo dahil sa kultura nito. Puting Buhangin Cave ay isang kuweba sa prosperidad na kilala sa magandang formasyon ng stalactites at stalagmites na likha ng kalikasan. Gibong River ay isang ilog na kilala sa tahimik at malinaw na tubig.
So, good day everyone. My name is Melker Sensibunyon from BSHM 2A. So, I will be your next reporter for today. So, let's start. Bahandi is a Cebuano Binasaya term that translate to treasure, riches, or ancestral wealth. For Manobo and Hiligaynon indigenous tribe, Bahandi represents deep connection to their heritage, encompassing both tangible materials and sacred cultural traditions. Nomad traditions in Agusan del Sur primarily practiced by Manobo and Hiligaynon tribes. This basically means respecting the nature and also their ancestors by protecting their land. Datu Lipos Makapandong, or also known as Datu Lipos, refers to the tribal name na pinagkaloob sa kay Demokrito alias Munting o Plaza Senior. Sa mga di nakakaalam, siya po ay isang sikat na abogado sa Bulacan, at isang congressman, isang visionary leader, former assemblyman. So dito naman tayo sa mga festivals. First of all, ang Anggot Festival ng Prosperidad. Ginaganap ito tuwing September 28 upang maging pasasalamat sa masaganang ani. At ang Anggot Festival ay napakahalagang parte ng kultura ng Manobo at Hiligaynon kasi naniniwala sila sa mga espiritu at ninuno. The next one is Pangadu Festival ng Talacogon. Ginaganap ito tuwing Nobyembre 12 hanggang 13. Ito ay isang Thanksgiving para sa masaganang likas na yaman o flora and fauna. Yagi Festival ng Rosario. Ginaganap ito tuwing June 21. Ang pinaka-highlight ng festival na ito is yung pagtatampok ng mga katutubong inumin and also cultural performances. Karadawan Festival ng Veruela. Ginaganap ito tuwing March 21. Ito ay isang pagdiriwang na nagpapahalaga ng pangangalaga ng kalikasan at ang kapaligiran. Kaligaon Festival naman na isang ng San Luis. Ginaganap tuwing June 15. Ito ay isang Thanksgiving festival. Hauan Festival ng Bunawan. Ginaganap tuwing January 26. So, sineselebrate naman ito is upang ipaalala ang mga local history ng Bunawan. Ito naman tayo sa mga local dishes. Ang pinakauna is binaga. This is a specialty of roasted grilled freshwater fish. Kadalasan daw dito is mga mudfish, ganun. And also known as haluan in Bisaya or dalag in Tagalog, haruan in Bicol. Yan. Next one is palagsing, a well-known delicacy made from wild sago, palm starch, mixed with brown sugar and coconut. So ito ay isang kakanin sa Agusan del Sur na kilala din. So commonly paired with, mas maganda daw ito sa mga hot chocolate and hot coffee. The next one is ginamos, a savory fermented fish paste that is popular as condiments and flavoring. So nag-search ako about sa ginamos. So nalaman ko na yung parang tubig niya, yung katas niya is pwedeng gawing sausawan and also pwedeng pampadagdag lasa sa isang dish na gagawin mo. Sunod naman is sa Yongsong, a cone-shaped glutinous rice cake made with coconut milk and roasted peanut paste, often found in the region. Surigao del Norte is a province in the Philippines located in Cargill region of Mindanao, known as the major tourism and aquatic hub. So nasabi itong aquatic hub because sinasabi nila na ito ay surfing capital of the Philippines kasi maraming islands dito, including na yung Siargao, Bukas Grande, with Siargao City as its capital. Dito naman tayo sa natural attractions. Yung pinakauna is nasabi ko na kanina is the Siargao Island, renowned as the surfing capital of the Philippines. The next one is Guyam Island, a small teardrop-shaped island near Siargao, perfect for swimming and relaxing. The next one is Islets and Flavor, known for white sand beaches, distinct rock formations, and clear waters, providing a serene gateway. The next one is Burgos Surf Spots, coastal areas in Burgos offering excellent surfing opportunities and scenic coastal views. So may dalawang location po ang Burgos Surf Spots, meron sa Ilocos Norte and sa Siargao. Cultural and heritage site. The first one is Museo ng Surigao, located in Surigao City, na naglalaman ng iba mga lumang jar, ganyan, shells, mga sea creatures at bato na kumbaga nagre-represent sa history at kultura ng Surigao. Cultural heritage site. The first one is Museo ng Surigao, which is located siya sa Surigao City. Itong museo na ito, mga halimbawa ng laman ng museo nito, mga yung lumang jar, mga shells, sea creatures and also mga bato na nagre-represent sa history at kultura ng Surigao. So dito naman tayo sa mga man-made attractions. The first one is Cloud9 Boardwalk and Tower na located sa Siargao. So sikat itong spot na to for mga surfer and also yung mga mahilig sa sunset kasi meron silang 3-level tower na pwede mo makita yung mga waves, sunsets, and etc. The next one is Sibadan Fish Cage, which is located in siya near Siargao, a popular and managed ecotourism site where visitors can feed sharks and swim in enclosed areas. Provincial, capital, and regional landmarks. Various monuments, plazas, and the historical San Nicolas de Tolentino Cathedral in Surigao City. So, dito naman tayo sa mga festival. The first one is Bunok-Bunok Marajao Karajao Festival. So, ang pangalan ng festival nito ay may meaning. The Bunok-Bunok means malakas na pag-ulan or pag-ulan ng biyaya. And the Marajao Karajao is napakaganda or napakabuti. Ginaganap ito tuwing September 10 bilang pagpaparangal sa kanilang patron na si San Nicolas de Tolentino. The next one is Bacau Festival del Carmen. Nagaganap ito tuwing September. Ang pinaka-highlight ng festival na ito is it promotes the importance and environmental awareness regarding mangroves and faith. So dito naman tayo sa mga local dishes. The first one is the sikat na kinilaw, a fresh or raw fish or seafood cooked in vinegar, coconut milk, and spices, highly popular in Surigao del Norte. Sunod naman is the dried pihanga, a small freshwater fish, endemic to Lake Mainit, na kadalasang sineserve as a fried. Surigao del Sur is a province in the Philippines located in Caraga region of Mindanao, known for its scenic coastal landscapes, and it comprises 17 municipalities and 2 cities, which is Tandag and Bislig, with Tandag serving as the capital. It is renowned for tourist attraction like the Hinantuan Enchanted River and Tinoyan Falls. So dito naman tayo sa mga natural attractions. The first one is Hinantuan Enchanted River, isang sikat na ilog sa Surigao del Sur na kulay asul na tubig, and also known as the hidden paradise of the province. The next one is Tinoyan Falls, a 55-meter high and 95-meter wide Niagara-like waterfall that spans several tiers located in Bislig City.
Britannia Group of Island, a beautiful group of island, over 20 island in San Agustin, known for its white sand and clear blue sea. Lesbitan Lagoon, a natural lagoon in Cortez where ocean waves crash into rock, forming a calm swimming pool. Cagua White Beach, a horseshoe-shaped white sand beach nicknamed the Boracay of Cagayan. Liubocan Cold Spring, recognized of its clear, refreshing water. Hinayagan Cave, noted for its impressive rock formation. Cultural heritage. The Ayala Museum in Siargao del Sur refers to the significant 10th and 13th century pre-colonial gold treasure exhibit in 1981 in Siargao del Sur, which are primarily used in the Ayala Museum. Linga, one of the oldest towns in the province, found in 1999, San Isidro Parish Church, Madrid, a significant local religious site. Guillermo Arpelida Memorial Town Hall, a historical municipal landmark. Kinilaw na isda, a dish that especially use tuna, blue marlin, or Spanish mackerel. Dinagat Island is an island province in the Caraga region, northern-eastern Mindanao. It's known for pristine beaches, unique limestone formation, and rice. Dinagat Island is an island province in the Caraga region, northern-eastern Mindanao. It's known for pristine beaches, unique limestone formation. Natural attraction. Blue Lagoon, tidal pool surrounded by jagged limestone formation, great for like Bababu, a calm fish waters, like surrounded by the greenery, popular for taking and swimming. Betaog Beach features powdered white sand and large rock formation. Kabakongan Cave, known for its serenity, clear water, and natural infinity pool. Canuba Marble Beach, famous for white pebbles and clear water. Campita Black Beach, unique shoreline with dark sand standing out against the more common white sand beach. Miracle Pool Cave, an accessible cavern in Libju, white clear shallow water, offering a magical and underground experience. Mount Redondo Bonsai Forest, a high altitude area featuring stand trees and resemble bonsai. Cultural Heritage Site, Ilocos Coastal PBMA Headquarters, Battle of Surigao Street Site, Festival, Bagusan sa Isla, a major event celebrating the founding with street dance, agriculture exhibition, and cultural competition across all 7 towns. Lawigan Festival holds in Loreto. It highlights local history, maritime tradition, and cultural heritage, often featuring street dance to mark the town founding. Island specific festival. Town have local festival or festa tied to Patro Saint, showcasing talents, agriculture, product, and tradition dance. Local dishes. seafood specialty, grilled or cooked like lobster and crab are tayo busuaki, a local delicacy eaten fish with vinegar, lemon, or calamansi. Namo, a root beer, local dishes. Seafood specialty, grilled or cooked like lobster and crab are tayo busuaki, a local delicacy eaten fish with vinegar, lemon, or calamansi.